Hi, welcome back. This is Miss Moore at West Brunswick High School. I'm so glad you're going to be with me this year in math class. I'm so excited about this year. It is a very strange year. Our last year ended strangely. I guess the beginning of this year is going to be strange, but we're going to get through it together. So don't worry. I just wanted you to get to know me a little bit. I love anything with the outdoors. I love kayaking and biking and fishing, anything with the outdoors, with water. Just absolutely love it. I got my bachelor's degree at Fairleigh Dickinson University in electrical engineering. My master's degree was in school administration. I live here in Charlotte. I came here from Salisbury, North Carolina. Those are my two babies. That is Murphy, who is about a 50-pound English foxhound, and that is Tigress, who is a dachshund, and she's about 8 pounds. And the two of them are in the bed, which they are not supposed to be. That's the reason they look so guilty. This is my family. Going from left to right, that is Timothy, my youngest, holding my youngest grandchild, his nephew, who is Dalton. Then there is Brittany, who is my daughter-in-law. My oldest son, Andrew, with the beard, holding my youngest grandson, who is his son, Colton. Then my daughter, Dahlia, and my mother, Genevieve. Teacher schedule, that's the big one. It is on your Padlet, but what I need you to pay attention to on there that really matters to you is the yellow highlighted sections, and it should be coming up in a second. There you go. These yellow highlighted sections and these green highlighted sections, that's what's important to you. Please pay attention to those. The green are the live sessions, which you are expected to be at. If you are first period, you are 8:15 to 9:15. If you are second period, you are 9:30 to 10:30. If you are fourth period, then you are 1:15 to 2:15, and you are expected Monday, Wednesday, and Friday to be at those live sections where we will teach. The open office hours are for you to pop in and ask me a question. So you are not required on Tuesday and Thursday to join unless you have some questions or need some help from me of whatever kind it is you need. Parent communication, we are asking on my Padlet, you will see that there is a parent communication link. When you hit that link, that will give you a form to fill out. It should come up in just a second. If you would please fill that out so that I can make sure that I can contact you and you can contact me at appropriate times. What do you need as supplies? You need a 3-ring binder or a large notebook, something to keep your papers contained. You need a computer, you need paper, you need pencils, you need highlighters. Math, it's so much easier if you highlight so that you can follow along. If you don't have highlighters, colored pencils, colored pens, whatever, so that you can follow the color. I am suggesting earbuds and headphones if you're in a noisy area. If you have, 3 brothers and sisters that are making a lot of noise, or, a puppy who likes to bark and it's very distracting, you may want to get a set of headphones. So I just gave you some pictures. Be careful of your computer. If you happen to have a iPad or a Apple device, you may need a different kind of jack than an Android or a Microsoft. So just be careful of that when you buy your earbuds, and I'm sure you guys all know that. Google Classroom. I have set up a temporary Google Classroom. Again, it is on the Padlet, so you will see this number. Don't worry about copying it down if you don't have a pen handy right now. That will get you to your permanent classroom codes. I already have the Remind in there. I already have a link to your computer and a few other things and your calculator. But that is just a temporary code because I have not created your Google Classroom codes. That will be there by Friday. So if you are coming into this and it's after Friday, it will be on the Padlet and out on the school website that they're creating. So that will be there. It will just give you another route to it. So make sure you copy that down. Make sure you add yourself to that Google Classroom. We do have a syllabus. You can click on that and see it. I will add it to the Padlet. Contact information, if you need to get a hold of me, that's my email, or go through Remind. You can add yourself to my Remind. Again, it's on the Padlet. You just text and add yourself. Many of you have already done so because I took all the numbers and things that I could find in PowerSchool. So many of you are already added. That should help you. Again, make sure you do that online questionnaire. Again, it's on the Padlet. And we are going to be trying to do a lot of text because we are online. If you need help, just reach out to me. We'll figure it out. Don't worry. It's going to be a little tough the first week, but after the first week, I promise it will be easy. You will understand how it all works. The biggest thing with me in Google Classroom is stay out of the stream. Go to classwork or go to your grades and look for zeros. Anything I zero is something I told you to do in class. If you weren't there, you missed it, you were sick, whatever, look for the zeros. And we'll talk about all this in class, so don't worry. I'm looking so forward to seeing you electronically, not in person, unfortunately. But it's going to be a great year, guys. Don't worry. We've got this.